Hello viewers, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Out of Box with Anil Pandey. Be with the video, you will get all the information regarding Meriden construction, what is the update, Aston also you will see it in this video.
है
So just I will show you, this is
ये वाला?
you seeing the
और इधर आप आके इधर आ गया
Avalon Club area, and after that we will move towards Meriden Club.
ब्यूटीफुली। अभी जब लाइट आइट होता है ना
Club, I will
तो
just
और
show you
अच्छा ये
most
हो
of
जाता है।
Meriden.
अभी आपको ऊपर का
You
दिखाएंगे।
will see there after this video. So today I have just uploaded the whole things. Video might have seen the 4 video I have.
ये
just
मेरिडन का
today
गेट बन के
uploaded.
तैयार हो गया।
Now this
ह्यूज।
is Eden Park. Sorry, Meriden Park. This is Meriden Park towards another gate, east gate side towards Ethangur. This you see huge gate, the construction of the Meriden. People were asking, there were 17 towers are there, so you can see it. As I always say, when the construction is there, nobody is allowed to enter inside. So whatever the views I am viewing from outside. Huge gate of the Meriden Park is having fast construction update, and this I will be showing you because all the tower, there were 11 tower, it is being from external paint, all is being paint work is done, so it means the work is completed. This is Club Meriden, just see it. Club Meriden, you will see this is the huge Club Meriden. Meridian, after Eden, so the position, see Eden Park, I have just given the update, it is matter of weeks, and now again see the Club Meridian of Prestige City, which have got 17 towers, and the fast work is going on up to 11 towers, the work is being finished, and as per the sequence they are painting also. So the huge construction work is going on in this area. After that, just I have made a visit. Today was a huge visit in Prestige City. So this is the club, Prestige City Experience Center, where all the information you get. I asked also the YN sell these numbers. I will be just reflecting in this video. So anybody is interested for resale, they can contact to the number given in this video.
So just we have entered from Sarjapur Road.
This is the
You might be
layout
seeing
just
here,
for a new person.
and this is West
the
Gate,
entry
Sarjapur.
gate.
Dom Sandra it is
West
coming
gate,
in,
they have got
and
two
then it
gates.
is going straight. Just
One
we
is
go
West
there,
Gate.
and now we have seen up to
Gate
now.
is toward
These are the
when
long
you are coming from
area
Dom
of
Sandra
shopping
towards
place.
Sarjapur.
Yeah,
then
this
West
is
Gate
this
coming.
is
Forum.
forum. Just written down the forum,
Yes,
the
they
Prestige
have
City,
just see.
right, sir?
Right.
And if you can just
The
zoom it
moment
out,
you
you
enter
can see again.
this, you are seeing a
And
forum
then
hall.
this comes
This is the layout.
Aspen Green. Aspen Green. Just see
Again,
how
this is
beautifully
the
they have
Aspen
designed.
Green Villa.
As I
better
always
understanding the
found
people.
up Prestige.
Just I am just
They are
narrating
giving
this.
such a good
This is Aspen
infrastructure
Green Villa. Here about
with the customer
you can
certification.
say
Sometimes people are jealousy also having. Why you are praising Prestige or
the
Godrej?
huge space is given
Because
for
I
villa.
do
This
have
is also position has been
units,
done
and
for
I
this.
do know
People are living there.
they are giving wonderful this thing.
And appreciation has taken, and now you just 2.5 times from the original.
They have given just
The
landscape,
sequence,
entry, exit,
entry, exit,
amenities, Aspen Green,
Amenities,
like this
Aspen
sequence.
Green,
Avalon Park, Eden Park,
Park,
Aston Park, Meriden
like
Park,
this sequence
and Great
there.
Acres.
Meriden Park
the gate
and
which I
Great
was
Acres
showing
is
you, na,
towards that
Meriden
gate.
Park.
That's
So
right.
that
Now
area
where the
we
Meriden
have not
Park,
entered. So
you know,
here,
construction
just see.
finishes, and beyond
this is
that, it is
Avalon.
a pass to
you just zoom it out, sir.
another independent
First
plot
units, which
and
you have just
Club
seen along with me. This is
So
Avalon.
all the work is going on very
Avalon,
fast.
right? Now? This one Avalon.
Now you see the again
So as per
layout.
diagram only it is coming, which has got 7 towers, and Eden Park. If you just see, this is 10 tower. Aston also I think 5 tower. If I am not
We have not seen it.
but construction is going on. Meriden we have just it is huge. It has got near about 16 towers and 3 BHK. One thing again, Eden only 2 BHK, Avalon 3 BHK. Aston I think it is also 3 BHK. I am not much sure about this. When you covered this area from West Gate and now you are just coming here.
We have just come.
Sir, you have come up to here, right now? You know, Meadows Circle, that is known as Meadows. Then this is a huge area. Independent plots, and such beautifully they have.
These are independent.
Independent. They have just prestige plot, but they have built as per norms G+2 I think, and one beautiful club rave area. Just you see, that club, it is just like 5 star. All facility you can book it in, even outside also you can book it. So this is as a whole, and this one gate is coming here. This gate is known as East Gate, and this is Etangur Gate. We just see.
East Gate.
And this is coming to same road, our Godrej, that side. So this is as a whole, which I just narrated you the landmark project of the Prestige. So this is Avalon Park. Independent amenities you will find, and whatever you have seen, they are giving it. Like this is the Avalon. Again 7 tower, independent, Avalon Park and other amenities like basketball court and their swimming pool, other spa or whatever the cafeteria, gym. So everything is independent, and then greenish landmark. Landscape is there, no? That around. So that makes, Maple Court as I told. So whatever the Maple Court is having single unit, less area, when they combine, then it is a larger space. How it will look?
From here.
We have seen, this is club area.
This is
We have seen from here. And just see, Eden Park. It has got 10 tower. And just see in between, every amenities are separated. This is for Eden, but it is only for 2 BHK. Right?
all at 2 BHK.
All 2 BHK. And just see, they have given huge everything. Amenity wise, Prestige is giving innovated, this is, they have given, just see every, and when it comes up with full, as it is near about 90% ready for possession within 1 or 2 months, then this will be as, it will look like this. Right, sir? Meriden is huge. Now you can see it, 17 towers, 16 or 17 towers. There's so much, facility, only 3 BHK. So much greenish landscape. You can see the huge road entry exit, and you can just see it here also. Okay, sir? So I was telling you, in this Prestige city, near about 9,000 flats are there. Total if inventory, if you count. So where this much,
What about 1 BHK?
1 BHK is there only in, I think in Eden or somewhere they have given 1 BHK. I do not know much about that.
But 1 BHK is also available here.
Yeah, available here. But it will be, see, the cost may be so much, 1 CR for 1 BHK. But because they are giving the amenities and, so this is Meriden. They have crafted Aspen Green Villa.
Okay, these are villas.
These are the villa which you just after forum, sir, you might have seen, na? After forum, just Aspen Green Villa started. So this is the 2 car parking you will get it here. And huge design, you can say, which design? It looks like Spanish or something like that. Bungalow.
This is a complete villa, isn't it?
Yeah, complete villa.
Oh.
This is complete villa, this is complete villa. Okay. The wall is common for both 2.
Okay, these are 2 villas. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
2 villas. 2 villas. Huge. And then if you see from here what they give it, just see it here. backside also. They have given huge area. Top also, sit out, everything they have just given.
Just little refreshment after this hectic tour of the Prestige City.
It
Just
will be
today I
perfect
have
memory for
put
me
up
also.
near about 4 videos. Hope you might have liked all the viewers whether in India or abroad. And do share with your
अब
near and
start
dear
करते
so
हैं.
that they also can be updated
Like
regarding
this.
Prestige City.
ये
Whoever
जर्नी
have
को
booked,
कंप्लीट देते हैं.
you know, it will help them, it will be updated to them. Henceforth my journey is of the Prestige City ends here.
अभी तो बहुत कम लोग हैं,
Anybody
लेकिन जब आते
further
हैं
they
ना,
want to contact me, they
लो.
can come by Top Mat to ask any
क्या वीडियो
real
लेना है?
estate
आप
advice.
लेके आ जाओ.
The link is being provided
आप
in
लेके
the
आ जाओ 2
description
BHK.
box. Further we will meet again with new trends in the real estate Bangalore. Again the market is the growth part. If you just consider whether any of the condition of the market worldwide, always there is a chance of booming in gold, steel and property. Till then, bye everyone. These are the contact number where you can contact to them for for buying the flats, resale. Okay, bye everyone.